So this is the solar wireless EV charging system. So this is the solar panel, 12 volt, 10 watt, 12 volt, 10 watt silicon panel, so PV panel. So it will be stored in a battery. So this is the two wire. These two wires connected to the battery, red and black. So that time automatically the battery will be charging. Here having the putting the diodes, so it will be charging the battery. So now you are checking that voltages. So these are 0 volt. அடுத்தல போடு. ஐடா என்னடா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க?
டிஸ்ப்ளே இது வந்து
நல்லா ஒர்க் ஆயிட்டு இருந்துச்சு. அதையும் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்போம். 1 வோல்ட் தான் வருது.
நாளைக்கு
பாஸ் பண்ணு. The inside room, so that's it, it's coming the 8 volts. Voltage kan பக்கத்துல போய். சரிதா? So it will put on the sunlight, it will come 20 volt approximately. This is the continuity. So that time the battery will be charging. Then this is the circuit. This is the drive circuit, MOSFET drive circuit. So this is the drive. The battery is coupled to here. Automatically the drive circuit. 4 drive circuit will be used here. This is the MOSFET drive. So this is the coil. So this is the coil for transmission, wireless EV charging station. So this is the vehicle. For demo model we are using a DC motor here. So DC motor, 12 volt DC motor, wheel. So this is the receiver coil. Wireless it will be receiving that one. We are having that microcontroller, PIC microcontroller, 16F 844 microcontroller. This is the amplifier. This power supply. This is LCD display. This is battery, 1.5 volt battery. This is the switch for motor. This is switch for charging. The two switch will be used. One for, if you want to see the voltage in that wirelessly charging the voltage means you would switch off the charging system. So that time the voltage is coming to the LCD display only. So that time the LCD display will display the voltages, receiving voltages. If you want to charge the battery means you go to switch off the system, switch on the system, automatically the charge will be going to the battery. So this is the concept. Now we go to on the supply, positive black, red. You are connecting the wrong connection, the circuit will be damaged. So you have to connect the proper way. Red means red, positive. Black means black, negative. Now this vehicle is going to the first coil. The voltage is coming here, 7.8 volt generator voltage. Similarly it will be going to the next coil, 7.8 voltages. Similarly it will be going to the another coil. 7.8. Similarly here 7.8 voltage. So this is the concept of wireless charging system. So if you want to charge the things means you want to connect this on the switch here. So that time the power will be directly goes to the battery. So that time display not will come. So if you want to see the voltages means you go to off the switch here. So that the voltage is coming to the display. Then you go to switch on the motor. The switch will be on and off the system. Be used for driving that vehicle driving system. Because you have to put on a correct position, because the coil and everything having 2 mm 3 mm thickness only. So you got to put this type of, you got to put the paper here, then you got to connect the coil here, then you got to connect the vehicle here, because here the vehicle and the coil having a little bit distance only it will come. Distance is very important. Distance is slowly it will come. So similarly you got to put the tap here also. So this side means automatically it will be working perfectly. Open. Wires like that way. So this is the concept of electric wireless EV charging system. It's coming the voltages. So this is the speed breaker like that way. That's why it should be stopping, no problem. So you got to connect like that. In normal places it will be running more perfectly. Here the coil is for correct distance only we are putting. So that's why. So you got to put the coil correctly in the place. So this is the concept of wireless EV charging system. Thank you. So this type also possible. In coil carrying the bottom side, this time also it will be working. I mean that 7.8 volt. So this time also, this time means very easy to run the vehicle. We will be moving gradually. So that's one. So this also possible. You go to put the coil like that way also. Your choice. This time also it will be working. Fourth coil ingeya. Fourth coil. So you go to draw a line here. You go to draw a line, black color. That time you go to identify easily. So that time you go to put this coil to that line, exact line. So that time the voltage will be coming correctly. Draw பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
வண்டி பண்ணி மூவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
So this time the vehicle is moving perfectly. So here you go to tight the flat like that way. You go tape it. But back side also is working, front side also will be working. Thank you. Solar wireless EV charging station.